In this video, I will show you how to turn off profile views on TikTok. For this, first open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're on your profile, click on three lines or the menu icon in the top right corner and now click on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, you will find this Privacy option. Click on it. Now in the Privacy menu, scroll down until you find Profile Views. Here you can see this. Click on it. This option controls whether you can see who's viewed your profile and whether other can see that you have viewed theirs. You will see a toggle switch. If it's on, this means that profile views are currently enabled. So turn it off. For this, simply tap the toggle switch, and once turned off, other users would not be able to see if you have viewed their profile, and you also would not be able to see who has viewed yours.